Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to walk you through how you can make a successful transition from your current job to the data analytics field. So let's go to the screen. I'll share some details with you. Okay, so there are certain things which are important if you are considering a data analytics field. Okay, so first thing is process knowledge. So process knowledge is nothing but the whatever your current work experience is, and whatever you're learning is out of your current work experience will be a good add-on as a process knowledge. So you will have some, at least you have some background of your current work experience. You know how things works in any job. Okay. Second thing, process management. So in this part, like, you know how to work with the teammates, how to deal with manager, how to communicate with the client, how to maintain your performance metrics, and how to grow indirect. Okay, so that kind of things comes under the process management. The reason why I'm calling it as a process management, because you are, if you are working somewhere, so you know what is the process of your current job and how the things happen of your current job, and basically you know the flow, you know what happens in corporate job. So that's why I'm calling it as a process management. Okay, so these two things are non-tech. This is non-technical things which is essential if you are looking for any switch. It doesn't matter you are looking for a switch in the data analytics field or anything. Okay, but these two things you will see everywhere. Okay, the first one is the domain knowledge, process knowledge. Second one is process management, how you can keep yourself up to the mark whatever process it is. Okay, so these two things are a basic foundation of any job. Doesn't mean it is IT or non-IT or whatever, but these two things are common everywhere. Now let's come to the main point, the technical skill. So if you're looking for any data job, you need to have a Microsoft Excel skill. This is one of essential skill. If you don't know how to handle Excel, then it is not going to work anywhere. You can apply thousands of jobs, but it will become very hard where you can find a job without Excel knowledge. So try to learn Excel, Microsoft Excel. What you need to learn it? First one is formula. You should know how to formulate the table or the data sheet. Second thing is pivot. I'm calling it specifically because not in entire Microsoft Excel knowledge needed. There are specific things which is mandatory. First one is formulas, mathematical formulas. Second one is pivot. You should know how to draw pivot. Then third one is graphs. Then VLOOKUPs. So you should know at least these 4 points. At least minimal. You should know these 4 points in Excel, so that you can automate or you can simplify your task in the data science job or a data analytics job. So this is about Excel. Okay, so what come next? There are other skills are required apart from Excel. So first one is Excel, which is basic. The second one is, what is second skill? The second skill is SQL. Friends, so 90%, not 99.99% data analytics jobs need the SQL knowledge. If it would be rare if you don't see SQL knowledge or SQL tool in any data analytics, but SQL is the one of the important tool if you want to switch your career into data analytics field. So you need to learn a basic SQL. It is not required to be advanced in SQL, but you should know the basic task. So basic task like you should know how to query the data. Okay, then you should know how to perform multiple joins in SQL. Okay, third one is logic building. Only these three things are important. You don't need to be master in SQL, but you should know at least how to perform joint, how to build a logic, and how to query the data. The logic building means you should know how to query the data logically. Okay, if the data set is not that relevant, then you have to perform certain mathematical operation and convert that unuseful data to useful thing, and this is how logic works. Okay, so it will come with practice. Again, SQL is essential thing, and it is not necessary to have a advanced level of knowledge. You should have a basic level of knowledge that would be work. You should have how to query the data, how to perform join, and how to do the logic building. Okay, so I would advise you to complete a basic SQL course and advanced Microsoft Excel. These two skills are very important if you are looking for to switch your career into data analytics field. And trust me, if you have these two skills, you will get job very easily, because 90% of the companies ask for these two skills. Then once you gain enough knowledge in SQL and Excel, then after that you can gain, or you can jump up to the next level. What is that next level? The next level is programming language. So you can learn Python, or you can learn R. So these two are important, but these two languages are quite similar to each other, but it's a little bit difference in the syntax and libraries, but things are same. Then second thing, you need to be learn advanced mathematics. Advanced maths will help you to learn new things easily. So you can just write a formula of any mathematical thing, for example aggregate. So you can write aggregate formula, and you can try to code that formula with the help of Python and R. And this is how you can learn Python and R. You can build a logic, you can try to implement a mathematical formulas in coding and try to explore. So this is a scripting. Like once you are gain enough knowledge, then you can automate your data analytics job. Whatever the small task is there, you can automate that task with the help of Python or R. So yeah, this is the important skills which is required to switch into the data analytical field. So I hope you understood and you like this video. So you can share your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.